Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and I have my wallet over here. I love my wallet. I really like my wallet over here. It has everything I need, everything I want. But sometimes I don't want to carry this big thing with me. I just want something more minimalistic, something more simplified. So when this brand contacted me to send this one to me, I said yes right away because I wanted to try one of this and I don't regret it. It comes in a really nice packaging, I have to say, so this could be a really nice gift. But also this one, which I'm going to show you in a close-up in a few seconds, holds everything that I have on this one, just in a super compressed way. So it holds up to 6 cards inside and then up to 6 more cards on the outside. So total 12. But if you really want to be minimalistic and don't want to carry too much, I just guarantee that you can put just these 6 inside and just have easy access with this button over here on the side, which by the way, it comes with a replacement button. This thing right here comes in the box. It's going to be a replacement button over here, but trust me, just by the feels in it, it's a good quality one, so I don't think it's gonna actually break. Let's take a closer look right now. So as I was telling you before, you can see how compact this one is, just fits in my hand perfectly. You have this strap over here, so you can actually put the other cards behind this blocking panel, which the entire wallet has RFID blocking, meaning that, for example, if you're trying to tap with your wallet, it's not going to work. If you're trying to go kind of like on the airport or TSA or those type of things, it's not going to work, which I think it's a really good thing because of, something can happen. You can get this one snatched from you or something like that. And that's going to work with the blocking system. So that is really cool. You have this elastic strap over here, which by the way, is pretty strong, I have to say. So you can have some cash in here. You can't put the cash inside. So you can have some cash in here. Also, you can just not put the cards in here and just put the cash under this plate over here and have it more like out of the side. And then inside, you're going to find that you can put up to 6 cards right there. And you have this trigger, which is going to actually jump the cards on you, which I think it's really cool because you have the easy access just right away. And these are going to be blocked inside. So you have this minimalistic one. But of course, it's just not the same at all. And this is not even full because I put some of the things inside. So you can see that this one in comparison is super minimalistic, compact, and sleek. I like this one. Of course, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.